Welcome back to Luxury Car Vibes, where we bring you the most exclusive and jaw-dropping rides redefining the future of mobility. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for the latest in luxury and innovation. Today, we're diving deep into something that feels almost unreal at the all-new 2026 Ferrari Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right, a Ferrari, the legendary Italian marque famed for track-bred supercars, has stepped into the high-end motorhome arena. And it isn't just a motorhome, it's an automotive masterpiece combining performance DNA with uncompromising comfort and luxury. Let's start from the outside, where Ferrari's design team has done the impossible, turning a bulky RV concept into an aerodynamic, aggressive, and unmistakably Ferrari silhouette. The sleek aluminium and carbon fiber bodywork isn't just for show, it slices through the air with a drag coefficient more in line with sports cars than traditional motorhomes. Up front, the sharp LED matrix headlights echo the design language of the SF90, while the sculpted side vents and subtle rear diffuser hint at serious performance lurking beneath. At over 30 feet long, this motorhome still looks agile, sitting low on massive 22-inch forged alloy wheels finished in signature Ferrari colors, a Rosso Corsa, Giallo Modena, and even an exclusive Bianco Italia pearl for those who want something unique. Retractable side cameras replace conventional mirrors, adding to the futuristic appeal, and when you activate the hydraulic suspension, the entire body lowers for better aerodynamics or rises for uneven terrain. It's a showstopper even before the engine roars. Stepping inside feels like entering a private luxury suite infused with Ferrari's racing spirit. Imagine carbon fiber inlays, premium Italian leather seats stitched in the same patterns you'd find in the Ferrari Roma, and a minimalist dashboard dominated by twin curved LED displays. Natural light floods the cabin thanks to the panoramic electrochromic roof, which can go from transparent to opaque at the touch of a button. In the lounge area, two plush recliners face a retractable 60-inch 8K OLED screen paired with a state-of-the-art surround sound system crafted by Bang Olufsen, custom-tuned just for this model. The kitchen area doesn't disappoint either, a marble countertops, a hidden induction stove, and smart storage solutions make it as functional as it is stylish. Further back, the master suite offers a king-sized memory foam bed with adjustable firmness, ambient lighting, and a separate smart climate zone, ensuring perfect comfort no matter where you park. Even the bathroom feels like something from a luxury hotel, complete with rainfall shower, heated floors, and gold-accented fixtures. Under the hood, Ferrari doesn't settle for anything ordinary. Powering this masterpiece is a hybrid V8 engine paired with 3 electric motors, a similar in spirit to the SF90 Stradale but tuned for torque and smoothness rather than outright track speed. Together, they deliver around 700 horsepower, giving the motorhome a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of around 5 seconds, which, for something this size, is absolutely mind-bending. It also features an all-electric mode, allowing for silent cruising around campsites or urban areas with zero emissions. The adaptive suspension system, borrowed from Ferrari's GT cars, keeps the ride buttery smooth, while rear-wheel steering makes tight maneuvers easier than you'd expect. And thanks to regenerative braking, the massive battery pack helps extend the range while improving efficiency. Of course, all this Italian brilliance comes at a price. The base model starts around $1.5 million USD, with bespoke customization easily pushing it beyond $2 million. But considering the craftsmanship, exclusivity reportedly only around 30 units per year and the blend of Ferrari heritage with cutting-edge luxury, it's a price that collectors and enthusiasts will happily pay. It's not just transportation, it's a rolling piece of art, performance engineering, and sheer indulgence. That wraps up our look at the breathtaking 2026 Ferrari Motorhome, a bold fusion of power, luxury, and design that truly has no rival. If you enjoyed this video and love exploring the most luxurious vehicles on the planet, smash that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Luxury Car Vibes for more exclusive automotive content. See you in the next one.